mischievous butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're here with Alicia Symone. If you are new here, make sure you stop what you're doing and hit that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about lower lash strips. Now, lower lashes are very trendy. I love lower lashes. So when I found these strips, I was like, honey. And they're actually really cute too. They're not like bulky and ugly and weird, because I just feel like the lower lash individuals you buy or the clusters you buy, they kind of look like they're fit. Like they just are obvious, I feel like. And I don't like that. I want them to mesh with my lashes, and I just want it to look nice. I'm going to show you guys what they look like. I'm going to show you on the screen. Now, they look like very small baby lashes, but they're actually lower lashes. So if you notice, the band of the lower lash is clear. So that allows it to be thinner and just more flexible and comfortable under the eye. So I thought that was pretty cool. I've seen the lower lash strips and I'm like, let me try it. And I fell in love. So I'm going to show you guys what they look like on my eyes, and so you guys can really see the difference and see if these are better than the DIY lashes. So we're gonna get into it. All right, so just like with regular top lashes, you're gonna hold it up to your eye and you're gonna see how long your eye is and if you need to trim it. I just trimmed off the end. Whenever you're trimming lashes, you always trim the outer end. You never trim the inner corner, because the inner corner is always the shortest part of the lash. And if you trim it, then you take away some of that wispiness. You always trim the outer side of the lash when you trim lashes. I don't know if y'all knew that already, but I just had to make sure. Now, if you want to, you can definitely cut them up, but to make it easier on yourself, you don't have to. But if you do prefer to cut them, then you can. It's all about your preference. I just love the fact they come on a strip because I don't got time. Now what you do is you just put on some mascara on your bottom lashes. Okay, alright. Even put on your eyeliner. If you wear eyeliner, I don't wear eyeliner. Okay. So I just put on some mascara underneath my eye. Now what you do is you take the band, and instead of putting them on with the lashes curling up, you put them on with the lashes curling out. The lashes will stick out just the way that your natural bottom lashes stick out. Your natural lashes don't curl up on the bottom. They go the opposite way. So you're going to do the same thing, turn the lash up. So put whatever glue of choice on the band. I guess I'm defeating the purpose of the clear band with the black glue, huh? Probably, but this is just for demonstration purposes. Okay, so now you are going to put the band underneath your hair. And I feel like the best thing to do is wiggle, because of your hairs it might be like hard to just put it underneath because your hairs are in the way. So I just wiggle. Wiggle until you get the band, so you can adjust it accordingly. The glue I'm using really sucks. Do you guys see that? But it looks so natural, like you wouldn't even think. I don't know if you guys can see. So yeah, I think you guys can see. So I have the lash right here. And I'm gonna do it again on this side. Oh my goodness, these are so freaking pretty. Alright. I just gotta put more glue on it. I have them on now, and I have, honestly, I know y'all gonna be like, oh my god, but I use hair glue for my lashes. I always do. On my clients, I use Duo, so don't. If it does look any bit of bulky, that's because I put hair glue and I had to do like 2 layers because it was drying up. But yeah, so these are what the lower lashes look like. I don't know if you guys can see from here, but they look so good, so natural. And I love that they're like wispy. Like, you get used to them. At first it feels kind of weird. It's like, okay, I have something underneath my eyes. But if you're used to wearing false lashes, then it's literally the same thing, just getting used to having them on. But yeah, they're glam. I mean, what can I say? These are the glam style. I did launch a Christian-based cosmetic line 4 days ago, and these are a part of that line. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Would you rather stick with the DIY lower lashes, or could you see yourself wearing strip lower lashes? Let me know what you think in the comments below. I will leave the link to the lashes in the description box. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video.